So right now, I'm at the point where I know what I want. I know I'm capable of a whole lot more, but just staying consistent has been the hardest part. Okay, everybody, hello and welcome. This is going to be like a really short video, but I just wanted to talk about where I am right now because I know I am not alone. So lately, I've been at the point where staying consistent has been hard again. Like I get to these points where I'm good for like a month, and then something in my life changes and my routine has to change and it throws me off. So I have decided I just started searching on YouTube, and then I found a new content creator. Well, she's new to me, and she was talking about doing the 12-week plan, the 12-week year. My baby's in the backseat if you see the shadow moving. So I went ahead and downloaded the book on Audible, and I just started listening to that book because there's so much more that I want to do before this year is over. So we're now here. It's September. Happy September to everybody. So in this month of September, which is also my birthday month, I have some big goals that I want to try to accomplish. And I just wanted to document this and then also invite you guys to join in on the journey. This could be a we thing, a we thing. I want to get my first 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal by September 30th. Today is the 2nd, and I'm also going to make sure this video is uploaded today as a stamp. So we know where we're starting. I'm going to put up what I have in subscribers probably somewhere. And then the goal is to first get 1,000 subscribers by September 30th because I know it's possible. Don't have to wait to the end of the year to do that. And then I have a couple other goals. I want to write my first... Sorry, I keep looking out because my baby's about to get out of school. If you're a parent or, somebody picks up kids, if you know. So I want to write and publish my first book. Then additionally, I want to get back to focusing on my eBay store and channel. Those are like two separate goals. So I'm going to define which one is going to get my main focus. But those are some really big goals for myself that I feel like now I have the time to commit to, with all of my babies being in school for the first time in it's been a long time since I've been able to have a couple hours to myself. So this is exciting. I'm just hoping that with this 12-week year book and plan that it's going to be a really, really great time for this to happen. And I'm excited. I know it's possible for me. So reading this book, listening to this book feels different to me because I already started listening to the first chapter, and this book is the most relatable book I have read or listened to in quite a while. I've done Eat That Frog. I got to maybe chapter 7 and stopped reading it. I've done so many self-help and personal development books, YouTube videos and such, and I'm still I'm not in the same place where I used to be. Honestly, I've grown, but I haven't moved the needle, enough. You probably understand this. So this book, so far, I listened to chapter 1, and there's been so much good stuff that I have gotten already from this book. I'm beginning chapter 2, so I'm going to start taking notes and making videos about as I learn it. So I feel like the 12-week year is going to work really well for me because I need deadlines. If I don't have a true deadline, I don't accomplish the goal because it's not urgent to me. It's not pressing to me. It's not that important. I give myself more time than I need to, So I think that this system is going to work really, really well for me. I'm excited to see how it does work. And I'm going to be recording and documenting and trying to keep track of everything just so I can see where I am and how I'm growing. But I think that we don't need as much time as we think we do for a lot of our goals. And I know that I personally will give myself all the time in the world to accomplish a lot of things, which then they don't get accomplished, So I am excited to see a change in that for myself. But I decided to document this so that I'm not alone. And if you guys have goals you want to accomplish too, that you could do this with me.